All right, here's how to install ambient light vents. First, you gotta take out this center console, and that just pops up that way. Then you need to force these things out one at a time. So you push, and then you do one side at a time while you're pushing, and it should pop out. It took a little while to get that. All right, now you get these, and you have to remove the rings carefully by putting them through those little holes and prying up. All right, so this one you just pull out hard. In the back, you have to pull this up and then out, or like out and then up. You have these rings here. They come from here. Pull them out last. This part will be some clips, but honestly, you're just going to kind of rip it out, you know, with the appropriate amount of force that a man learns doing these sorts of things. All right, this part had me so confused. It looks like it's like empty in the middle, but then there's these little parts and you put them in between. All right, so here is a quick video of the end product.